Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake SWAFAN EX12 ARGB PC cooling fan. These PC cooling fans feature a magnetic design that allows you to plug one cable that connects all three fans together. It eliminates all those unnecessary cables for easy cable management. Each fans come with 20 LEDs, 16 on the outer ring and 4 on the inner ring. It also comes with 3 reversible fan blades which are swappable and allow users to configure the fans to a pull-push or a push-pull configuration. We'll be mounting these fans on a 360 all-in-one cooler to see how it performs. So let's not waste any time, do the quick unboxing, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake SWAFAN EX12 ARGB Sync PC cooling fan. It supports all the major RGB ecosystems and including the Thermaltake software as well. It has a magnetic connection and swappable fan blades. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, we have the swappable fan blades. There's 3 of them. 1, 2 and 3. We also have 3 cooling fans. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let's take a look at the accessories box. Okay, we have the warranty information and a quick installation guide. We have 1, 2 and 3 of the magnetic RGB cables, and we have 1, 2, 3 of the fan screws, so mounting onto radiators and things like that, and we have a tube of grease. This is for the ball bearing fans. And let's take a closer look at the fans. Alright, here we have the 3 fans and the 3 swappable fan blades. We'll take a look at the swappable fan, and as you can see here we have the reversible fan blades giving you the reverse airflow, and you have 3 of them there. Alright, let's take a look at the fan. As you can see, it's quite nice with the rubber corners here, and this will give you anti-vibration. And it has a total of 20 LEDs, 14 on the outer ring and 6 on the inner ring. Fan speed range between 500 to 2000 RPM, with each fan blade offering a decent airflow of 57.11 CFM and a noise level of around about 30.6 decibels. And you can see there's magnetic connectors here and here, and it's quite simple. You just match the magnetic connectors, male and female basically, and that kind of just locks in place like that, and also with this one as well. Let's take a look at the cable. Here we have the magnetic connector for the fan, and we have 3 headers here. This is for the ARGB pass-through, and we have 1 ARGB for the 3-pin here, and also a fan connector. These 2 connect to the motherboard, and this one connects to the fan. The fan blades can be swapped out quite easily. Never pull the fan blades like this. Just reverse the fan and push it out like that. And here we go. And all you need to do now is get one of these and slot it in. Just like that. Very easy. Let's connect up the cable and see how it looks. Alright, so we connected the cable to the motherboard, and all you need to do is attach this connector to the magnetic area of the fan. There you go. And you do the same for the other fans, and as you can see, it locks in place like that, and also for the 3rd one like this. It's perfect. So you have 1 cable connecting all the 3 fans, and it's great for cable management as well. So to detach the fans, all you need to do is just push out, and away you go. That's it. Very nice. We're going to be mounting this onto our radiator and see how it performs. So this was a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake SWAFAN EX12 Sync RGB PC cooling fan. Featuring an exquisite magnetic connector that requires just one cable to power both the fans and the RGB lighting, the Thermaltake SWAFAN EX allows for easy cable management, plus it's so satisfying and fun to attach or detach the magnetic cable at any time. The fans feature a hydraulic ball bearing rotor that offers a decent airflow of 57.11 cmf and a low noise level of only 30.6 decibels. And of course, don't forget one of the most important selling point, the swappable fan blades with reverse airflow, which can give you optimal cooling performance under different conditions, and you can mount these fans however you want within your chassis. With a total of 20 LEDs on each fan, 14 LEDs on the outer ring and 6 LEDs on the inner ring, it's more than enough to satisfy even the most extreme of RGB lovers. If you're planning to build an awesome PC and you want some decent cooling fans that offer excellent cable management and good cooling performance, low noise level and a good amount of airflow, then the Thermaltake SWAFAN EX12 RGB fans are perfect for you. I guarantee you will have many hours of fun with those magnetic connectors for sure. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake SWAFAN EX12 ARGB PC cooling fan. A fantastic looking set of fans with great RGB lighting effects and a magnetic connector that allows you to connect to one cable for easy cable management. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy these via links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.